Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VXRT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another day and another confirmation point. The big point of confirmation comes, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched my past videos. But if you have watched the past videos, then you hopefully remember me talking about that purple line over and over again. Well, this is exactly why I have to keep talking about it, because once again, right up here this morning, that's right where the price got rejected from, just like it's done several times in the past. So there's just going to be that many more eyeballs now watching that level. Current value of the 50-period moving average is right there at $9.48. So moving into next week, every breakout player and their brother's uncle is going to be watching that 948 mark and wondering, can the price finally break up above it? Which is important, because when lots of people are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic movements. Now, there's no such thing as a guarantee, so I'm not saying that. But my core point here is that it's a more than valid, it's a more than rational thought to have, that if the price works its way up there and then can get the break of that purple line, that could create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. So definitely you'll want to keep a close eye on that from the resistance side of things. And then as far as areas of support are concerned, nothing here to report that's new. Still all about that level down there. I can't quite remember. Was that 880? 885. 885 remains at a key level. Wasn't even tested. Hasn't even really come close to being tested over the past couple of days. But nonetheless, still going to want to keep a close eye on that. And again, that's one of those areas where if the price were to go down there and break below it, not a guarantee, but a rational thought to have that could create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. So you want to watch those areas going into next week. But overall, right now, just a sideways channel pattern, but there's no doubt about it. That 50-period moving average sure is stubborn, but we'll have to see if the price can try to get the break of it or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.